Customers are suing Olaplex, alleging the products severely damaged their hair, even leaving some of them with blisters and bald spots.
They purchased a product that's been marketed as something that repairs and restores hair, but has actually badly damaged their hair.
Dozens of people allege the brand, endorsed by celebrities and influencers, caused their hair to fall out and their skin to blister.
Jessica Ariana says she lost 20% of her hair after using Olaplex for only 2 months. Others claim allergic reactions left their hair dry, brittle, frizzy, and dull.
The SoCal shampoo company is getting sued by people who say their hair is falling out. They say Olaplex is making them go bald, or like we said, break out in blisters. Oof. They claim the company isn't upfront about what chemicals are in the products.
You deserve a better solution for hair loss. Morrocco Method offers a truly natural alternative to the dangerous chemicals used in other brands. Our restorative scalp oil elixirs are handmade in small batches, using only the purest, wildcrafted ingredients that nourish your scalp. Morrocco Method scalp oils repair damage to the scalp caused by stress and environmental or chemical toxins to encourage healthy hair growth that's safe for you and for the environment. Try an individual scalp oil for a specific goal, or use a whole set for ultimate results. Morrocco Method's restorative scalp oil elixirs can be mixed and matched to create your perfect routine to get your best hair ever, naturally.